Hi, I'm Colin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use an ICC profile in Photoshop on a PC.
Prior to printing an image, there are a number of options which need to be set. Firstly, go to Edit, Colour Settings, and make sure that the RGB working space is set to Adobe RGB 1998. Click OK. Then File, Print. Select your printer. Photoshop is managing the colours. You have the correct profile selected. The rendering intent is set to perceptual and black point compensation is ticked. Next, go to Print Settings. Make sure that you have the correct media selected and that the colour adjustment is off. Click OK. And you are now ready to print.